Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
SpaceX has moved 1,308 Bitcoin, worth approximately $153 million, in its first on-chain activity in 3 years. The movement was flagged by Arkham Intelligence, which tracks wallets tied to the company. Oil prices fell for a third consecutive session, as hopes faded for a trade deal between the US and Europe, feeding fears of an economic slowdown in the world's largest oil markets. Gold climbed to a new 5-week high, drawing strength from trade uncertainty and weaker US bond yields, as investors continue to eye US President Donald Trump's August 1st tariff deadline.
The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.